Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can recreate the magical art style of Studio Ghibli, and now it's real. Introducing the latest AI tool that turns text into breathtaking Ghibli-style masterpieces. Just type a prompt like Enchanted Forest with glowing spirits or whimsical steampunk city in the sky, and watch as the AI paints your words into dreamy, hand-drawn like art. This tool has taken the internet by storm, with fans crafting their own Ghibli worlds overnight, from nostalgic landscapes to brand new characters. The possibilities are endless. However, not everyone is celebrating this AI advancement. Some artists debate if AI can ethically mimic such a unique style, while others hail it as a revolutionary creative tool. Will this tech inspire a new era of digital art, or will it fade as a viral trend? Whether you're a Ghibli fanatic or an AI skeptic, one thing is certain: the future of art is here, and it's spellbinding. Want to try it out for yourself? We've linked the tool below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Should AI continue dreaming up Ghibli magic, or should we leave it to the humans? Join the conversation and let us know your thoughts on this groundbreaking tool.